Welcome back to my channel Math School. In today's video, let us solve example 4 from chapter 12, some applications of trigonometry. In my previous videos, I've completed introduction and examples 1 to 2 from the same chapter. If you have not watched these videos, do find the link in the description box below or click the I button above, and also do watch the video till the end so that I can make more such videos for you guys. Example 4 from chapter 12, some applications of trigonometry says, from a point P on the ground, the angle of elevation of the top of a 10-meter tall building is 30 degree. A flag is hoisted at the top of the building and the angle of elevation of the top of the flag staff from P is 45 degree. Find the length of the flag staff and the distance of the building from the point P. So here let us read the question now line by line, and first let us try to draw a figure. So the first line of the question says from a point P on the ground. So let us take a point P on the ground. So from this point P, the angle of elevation of top of a 10-meter tall building. So let us draw a 10-meter tall building. So the angle of elevation from this point to the 10-meter tall building is how much? 30 degree. So here a point P is the observer from where the angle of elevation is given. So whenever they give us an observer or a point, so we have to first draw a horizontal line, and then we can draw the line of sight from the point P to the object, which is our building here. So the angle between this line of sight and the horizontal level will give us the angle of elevation, which in this case is given as 30 degree. So let us name this building as AB. A flag is hoisted at the top of the building. So there is a flag staff at the top of the building. So let us draw a flag staff. Now the angle of elevation of the top of the flag staff from the point P is 45 degrees. So again they have given us the angle of elevation from this point P to the top of the flag staff. So let us draw this again. So this is supposed to be how much? 45 degree. Okay, so now we have to find out the length of the flag staff. So if we name this point as D, then we have to find out the length of the flag staff, that is we have to find out this AD value and the distance of the building from the point P and this PB value. Okay, there is also a figure given in the question. This is the figure. Whether the figure is given or not, you must be able to draw up the figure according to the question what is given here. So read carefully the question and try to draw the figure on yourself. So here you can consider that we have two triangles formed, that is APB and DPB, right? So let us first write down what is given in the question, and then we can apply the trigonometric ratios to find out the length which they have asked here. So let us write down given length of building, which is equal to 10 meters, the side AB, right? Now since the building is vertical to the ground, so this angle ABP or DBP becomes equal to 90 degrees, right? So let us write down since the building is vertical to the ground, angle, let us take the building as AB, okay, not BA, I'm taking here as AB. So the angle BAP will be equal to 90 degree. So therefore you can write triangle BAP and the bigger triangle DAP. Triangle DAP is a right angle triangle. Now since the triangles are the right angle triangles, though here the hypotenuse will be BP and DP. Since AP is the acute angle, the side opposite the acute angle is the perpendicular and the side along will be our base. So now let us first find out the distance of the building from the point P, that is let us find out the distance PA. So now to these right angles triangles we can apply the trigonometric ratios. So to find out the trigonometric ratios we should know this fraction, that is PBP divided by HHB. Now let us first find out the distance of the building from the point A, that is we have to find out the distance PA. So therefore we will consider this triangle BAP. Okay, so here we have to find out the base value since we know the perpendicular or the height of the building, that is AB. So which is the trigonometric ratio that is related to perpendicular and base? So perpendicular and base is given by tan theta, right? So here in this triangle BAP we will apply tan trigonometric ratio. So in triangle BAP, tan theta is equal to perpendicular by base, where the perpendicular value is AB and the base value is PA. Now since our theta value is equal to 30 degree, so tan 30 is equal to AB is 10 meter divided by PA, which we have to find out. Now what is the value of tan 30? That we should know by our trigonometric table. So here tan 30 is equal to 1 by root 3, right? So therefore 1 by root 3 is equal to 10 by PA, or if you cross multiply we get PA is equal to 10 into root 3. So in the question, if you observe, they have given us the value of root 3, that is 1.732, right? So therefore we'll substitute the value of root 3, which is 1.732. so when you multiply with 10, the decimal point shifts to the right, so therefore we get PA as equal to 17.32 meters. So this is the distance of the building from the point P. Now let us find out the height of this flag, that is DB. Now here we have to consider triangle DAP. So in triangle DAP, again when we apply tan trigonometric ratio, since the perpendicular and the base comes into picture, right? So if we apply tan theta, that is equal to perpendicular by base, where the perpendicular is DA or AD divided by base is PA. Since here our theta value is equal to 45 degree, that is in the bigger triangle, therefore tan 45 is equal to, here this AD value can be written as AD is equal to DB plus AB. Here AB value we already know, that is equal to 10 meter. So we have to find out the DB value. So therefore AD can be written as DB plus AB divided by PA. Okay, so from the trigonometric table, what is the tan 45 value? Tan 45 is equal to 1. So we have here 1 is equal to DB we have to find out, plus AB is how much? 10 meter divided by PA is 17.32 meter. So let us cross multiply, therefore we get 17.32 is equal to DB plus 10, or send this 10 to left hand side. So therefore we get DB is equal to 17.32 minus 10, or the DB value is equal to 7.32 meter, which is the height of the flagstaff. So this is the distance of the building from the point P, and DB is the height of flagstaff, right? So this is how we solve this problem. If you have any further doubts, you can comment me below in the comment section. In my next video, let us solve example 5 from chapter 12, some applications of trigonometry. So till then, do like my video, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit the bell button below to get the latest updates of my videos, as I'll be completing the whole syllabus for class 10th SLC and Cert Math. And also do watch the related videos of chapter 12, some applications of trigonometry shown on the screen. Thank you.